homes and the lifestyle you have, but from you're born into an area where no electricity, no water, from that background to where you are. Tell us a little bit about your childhood and upbringing, please.
Thank you, Ayo. I love to share that. One of the things is I remember as a child when we moved from the farm to the nearby town so we can go to school. I remember sitting in this, what it seemed to me through the eyes of a child, a big yard, and I used to think about it, and I used to look at the sun, and I'm thinking, I don't belong here. I want to live here. One day I'm going to live in a land far, far away. I'll be gone, and it's, I remember it. It's
Yeah,
touching, actually.
yeah. Well,
Um,
can I just say, just jumping in there, and I know it's emotional because I think that we all in our childhood get inspirations of greatness, our future. And then what happens is a lot of people lose that. That fire was lit that day, but you didn't lose that fire. Do you find that happens to people?
well, you know what? I think everybody has the ability to make choices in life. And no, I don't know if it happens to people. It's everybody has to come up to at some point in their lives that we are responsible for everything that happens to us. In a way, we are the ones in control. We're the ones in charge. And I truly believe that all of us were given that opportunity. And because so many people have been programmed to fail instead of succeed, it's all over. So if we don't really take charge of our own mind and our own selves, it, it's difficult to say that everybody has this. But I believe that everybody do have the ability to do it.
Where did you go from there mentally? I mean, what happened?
Mentally, I was very as a child, I was very outgoing. I always dreamed of better. I was the first person to be in front of people singing, dancing, whatever people asked me, poetry. It, it's something that I always love, creativity. To me, creation begins at any time in our lives. And so from that moment on, my parents, they divorced, and my mom moved again when we were, I think I might have been about 14 years old. I was going to school and the war came in. And what made me realize that still on that dream of, I need to get out of here, I need to get out of here, I decided to maybe attract in my own mind. I was attracting everything that I wanted to be in my possession.